Hey guys, welcome again. In this video I'm going to talk about a professional video editing app in your phone that you can use for video editing. So look, there are many apps like InShot, CapCut, VN, then iVideo, then many other apps there on Play Store or App Store. But I personally use InShot because I personally need to edit very basic videos. If you are one of them who want to edit basic videos, then you can definitely use InShot. In this video, I will tell you about InShot, and if you are a professional video editor, then I will show you about CapCut and VN as well. But in my preference, I will definitely tell you to use InShot if you are basic to medium video editor. So let's open this InShot app. Like here you can see, so here are three options you can see in the interface: video, photo and collage. So if you have to edit video, click here on video, and here you can see the plus icon. And after this you can see so I will take this video for editing. Okay, so you have to remove this left right bottom corner insert logo. Then you have to click here and simply click on pre-remove. You will have to watch 30 seconds and it will automatically remove. And yeah, now you can see this video is in vertical. As you can see, you can click here on canvas, and if you want to make this video in 4:5, you can click here. And if you want to use this ratio as reels of Instagram, then you can select this 9:16 as well. But I will personally suggest you to use 16:9, as this video itself recorded in 16:9 ratio in my mobile. So it depends on the type of video you recorded, and in that way you can use. And after that, if you have to use audio for video editing or for any of your video, then click here on audio and choose your music from here. Here you will see different musics InShot offers, and definitely it is not free to use for YouTube videos. You will have to buy license from InShot to use this for your YouTube videos. Either you can be in trouble due to copyright. And if you have to use your personal music videos, then click here on extract audio from the video as well. You can extract audio from the video and click here import video to import your music from your phone. And now here you can see the sticker option. You can choose different stickers from here, and text you can write anything here, like you can see. And here you can see fonts, then different design things here. And this is basic animations for your text you can use. And here in the detail you can use this for blurring any part that you don't want to be here. And yeah, now the next thing here is effect. In the effect you can see slow zoom, jump zoom, different effects you can use for your video. And lots of professional effects are available here. Filter as well, if you have to choose filter you can use this filter as well. Then in the peep you can use any alternative video on this basic video. Click here on peep and you can choose any video to keep this on this video. And here you can see this pre-cut and split option. If you have to cut this video, then simply click select the video and click on split. Now the video is divided into two parts. This is the first part and the second part. If you have to delete this part, simply select this part and click on delete. uh, After that you can see here are different options. If you have to manage your volume of the video, then you can click here on volume. You can decide how much volume you want. Then here in the speed you can manage the speed of the video. And here in the animations you can use fade, zoom, zoom out, shaking, or different uh, animations are available here. And then you can use this voice enhancer if your video are having lots of noise. then you can definitely use this voice enhancer, but you will have to buy their pro plan to use this. It is not free. Then the crop, you can crop the video if you want to crop, and cut out and other things you can see. But these things are not that useful in the video editing. But yeah, this is the things that you can definitely use. After all, let's talk about VN. So VN is very easy to use. It is also simple and clean to use. Its interface also very clean. You can see here the interface is very clean. Not lots of option here, and easy to use. You can use this option for music. This is for text. This is for adding any photos and title and elements. And here you can manage video volume. If you have to mute, click here on this and unmute for like this. And here is the filter, trim, effects, lead, cutout, speed, volume, fade, crop, and other options you can see. It is definitely clean and simple interface. Anyone who wants alternative for InShot, then definitely you can go for VN. The next thing is CapCut. So this is the app which you can compare with softwares or professional video editing softwares like Filmora and others that are available. All the things you can get by using CapCut, and here you can see edit audio, text, effects, overlay, captions, filters, and other things here. Here you will find animations. As this is not available in India, that's why it is showing like this. So this way you can use all these apps for video editing in your mobile. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.